In this video, you'll learn how to use the Print Server function in Smart Device Connector. Scroll to and select the Ricoh Connector app on your smart device. Swipe left or right to select MFP printer. Scroll down and tap Print Server Settings. Select Add Print Server. Enter the settings of the print server. Entering the IP address host name or the shared name is mandatory. Enter the domain name, login username, and password as required. Tap Search. Select the print server and then tap Register. Select On in Use Print Server.